The front axle assembly is now fully integrated and does what it says on the packet, which is nice. The servo is mounted in there. I won't put the steering arm on and hook it up to the servo until the receiver is there, so we know exactly what it's doing. But that's all looking good. Ride height is good. Everything is nice and free, and the lock is very nice in both directions. So that's working well. The other thing I've been looking at is the brake lights, and I've been carving out the solid plastic brake lights. I know they're brake indicators. We might not be able to do indicators, probably won't be able to do indicators. And these two wires that you can see stuck out there actually have teeny LEDs, red LEDs on the end. So those will get pulled through to sit in the recess, and then the cavity will be filled. I'll mix up some red epoxy and try and build up the lenses with red epoxy, and hopefully if I get the mix right, that'll show through when illuminated. So that's what I've been doing. That was fun, drilling those holes without destroying anything, but we've succeeded so far in that. It's one of those things, once those LEDs are in, they are in. They're so small, there's not a lot you can do with them. But it's coming on, and it's coming on very nicely, actually. Nice little bit of springing, and the wheel drops as it's supposed to. So all looking fine.